Imagine stepping inside Willy Wonka's legendary chocolate factory. But this time, you're not watching a movie. You're competing for a life-changing fortune. Netflix is bringing a new reality competition series, Wonka's The Golden Ticket, where a new generation of contestants enters the mysterious chocolate factory for a series of unpredictable challenges. From the very beginning, the trailer makes one thing clear. This is not an ordinary game show. Contestants will face dangerous-looking tests, psychological challenges, unexpected temptations, and difficult choices. But there's an even bigger question. Is the factory itself testing them? The competition becomes even more intense as alliances begin to form, and contestants are forced to decide who they can trust. And in one of the trailer's most shocking teases, even family members may be pushed to compete against each other. The series appears to combine the magical world of Willy Wonka with the tension of a high-stakes reality competition. The colorful factory, mysterious rooms, strange games, and enormous rewards create an atmosphere that feels both exciting and unsettling. But perhaps the most surprising element is the appearance of an AI-recreated voice of Gene Wilder, the legendary actor who played Willy Wonka in the classic 1971 film. That detail gives the series a nostalgic connection to the original
Wonka legacy while introducing it to a completely new generation. And the prize? Contestants aren't simply fighting for a trophy. They're competing for a lifetime supply of money, making every challenge, betrayal, and decision potentially life-changing. Netflix has announced that Wonka's The Golden Ticket premieres September 23, 2026, with the finale arriving just 1 week later on September 30. So the real question is, who will find the golden ticket, survive the factory, and walk away with the ultimate prize? The gates of Wonka's factory are about to open, and this time, everyone is playing.